Alright, so going to the junkyard today. Got all this mess out of my backyard. All parts of pool, washing machine, dishwasher. I mean, it's just a pile of junk. So, I'll get back with you. I'll show you what I get for it. We'll see. Probably not a lot. But, I don't know. Some heavy pieces down in there. Most is just junk, but that is a trunk load. Even with that plastic thing on top. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, here's all the junk out at the salvage yard. It's a little disgusting out here. Look at those UPS trucks. But those could be bought real cheap. Just junk. Oh, there's all my junk. And I'll show you the slip for what I get for junk. Okay, see you around. Okay, that's the breakdown. 55.35 for just some little scrap out of my backyard, which I did have a few batteries. I wish I had known they took wheels. But anyway, 55.35 is not too bad. Okay, this is how you can make money out of junk out of your backyard. Talk to you later. Bye.